Sanjay Agarwal. I'm joined with this people, young people, and they come from West Africa.
Yes.
So we have, what's your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is Odmebu Chinedum.
Okay. And yours, sir?
My name is Echile Chijotoba.
So yourself, sir?
Okay, my name is Mazi Oke Egwim.
Okay, and your name, sir?
My name is Ailoanya Hanacho.
Okay. So as we've been introduced with these young people, so they come from a small place near Nigeria. This is Biafra. It's Biafra.
Yes.
So we have the leader from that country, and as I've been told that they are under rule by Nigeria since 1967. So it's been almost many years, you know. So this young people, they want freedom. As India is a friend to them. So you could talk about your country and what's your vision, sir?
Okay, like I said earlier on, we are from Biafra. And Biafra is a place in the eastern part of Nigeria currently. The British came to our place, amalgamated three divergent nations forcefully to be a country called Nigeria today. And Biafra happens to be among those people. And before the British did this, they did not seek the consent of our forefathers before merging us with alien people. And today, because of that, the forceful amalgamation, we have been suffering since then. And then in 1967, we tried to remove ourselves from Nigeria. Then Nigeria, through the help of British and Russia and other world powers, brought a war of aggression against the people of Biafra. They killed our people, nearly 60 lakhs during 67-70, mass murder, which is the second highest genocide in the modern history after the Jewish Holocaust. And since then, in 1970, specifically on this, January 15th, 1970, the war ended, with the promise of reconciliation, rehabilitation, and all the R's. But in this moment, what prompted the war could not be solved till this moment. And in Nigeria, we are the goose that lays the golden egg. Everything that makes Nigeria great belongs to us. But they don't want us to partake in the governing power. There is no significant presence of the federal government in our own locality. So for that reason, we decided to go our separate ways because oil and water cannot mix together. That is why we are here today. And we are called the indigenous people of Biafra. IPOB, you can see it here. The indigenous people of Biafra.
Free Biafra now, land of the rising sun.
Yes, exactly.
This is your flag.
Yes, this is our flag. So
we have here this
IPOB.
Yes. So why we are here, we have we are present in over 120 countries of the world, including India.
Yes.
Today, we are here sensitizing the people of India for support, and for our citizens here, we need Indian government to protect us because we run away from home because of marginalization and massacring of our people on a daily basis in Nigeria.
Right. What about the United Nations? How are you represented there?
Yes, our leader, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, had been invited by the United Nations. He went there to make a representation of the Biafran people. And currently, he was extraordinarily renditioned from Kenya to Nigeria.
Okay.
As we speak, he is in the incarceration of the Nigerian government. He's a prisoner of conscience.
Okay.
So right this moment, about last week or last 2 weeks, the UN Working Committee gave Nigeria ultimatum of 6 months to release our leader and give us a date of referendum.
All right.
Yes.
So it's a big fight. Like, it's a big fight.
Of course.
And we don't know the real, the future means now we are in a decade, you know?
Yeah.
Where before this Ukraine-Russia conflict started.
Yes.
So I never thought that in my lifetime I'm going to see any war.
Yeah.
Because we are in India, so we are a peace.